Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making baby brinjals Andhra style. We'll start with the roasting of the spices first. So some coriander seeds, fenugreek, cumin, cinnamon, cardamom, sesame seeds. We'll roast these spices till they are fragrant. Peanuts. Now, as the spices are getting roasted, towards the end I'll add some desiccated coconut, and then you just got to roast on medium to low flame just for a couple of minutes more. Spices are nicely roasted. So now we'll wait for these to cool down and I'll blend it all into a nice smooth paste. Now along with the roasted spices, I'm going to add some chopped onions, ginger, garlic, chili powder, turmeric powder, some water, a little bit of salt. So we've got a nice coarse paste. It doesn't have to be very smooth, it's fine. So now we get started with the rest. The baby brinjals, you can cook them along with the masala, or you can pan fry them like this, and so it's easier and they look prettier. You can avoid this step by cooking them in the masala also. Heat up some oil. I'll start with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, sliced onions. We'll fry this till the onions start changing color. You can see the onions are starting to brown. I'll lower the flame and add in the masala paste that we just blended. So we'll just fry this masala paste for a couple of minutes. Now after a couple of minutes, I'm going to add a little bit of tamarind extract. This is optional. If you want that sweet, sour and spicy taste, you can add a little bit of jaggery, some slit green chilies, a little bit of water, and now our fried brinjals. I'll reduce the flame, cover and cook for 2-3 minutes. And let's check on these. So these look good. We've got nice masala. Let's plate. We can garnish with chopped coriander leaves. So the dish is ready. You can see how appetizing it looks. Do try this dish and leave your comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.